How to check if your Instagram account has banned. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the Instagram application of your device and make sure that you're logged into your. Then tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen. Here you can see different options. So now just log out of your Instagram account for now. Tap on log out, save and log out. And after logging out, you can again re-log into your account. The next step is to check your messages. If your account has been blocked or if your account has been banned, then Instagram would send you a message something like your account is temporarily blocked. So you can deal according to that. Next is Instagram will provide you an email with the email associated that you have created with an account. So if your account is banned, then Instagram will send you an email saying that your account has been banned and your account is locked. So you can lead and go ahead according to that to solve that issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.